Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover and today I'm going to be showing you how I painted my Halloween themed Tale of the Nine-Tailed inspired nail art design. I'm starting with base coat and I'm using my favorite unpeel off base coat, which I always leave the link to in the description box. Then I'm going to be painting my index, middle, and ring fingernails blue and the rest of my nails a dark turquoise shade with shimmer. For the middle fingernail, I'm going to be doing the following gradient with white in the center, followed by all these other turquoise blue shades, and then I'm going to be sponging that on until I get the blend that I like, and then I'm also just doing a vertical gradient for the rest of the nails. And on the middle fingernail, I'm going to be drawing the yellow full moon, so you can see that I'm just laying down the base with my light yellow polish, and then I'm just going to be adding different shades of yellow to add the craters and also the shadows and dust on the moon. And I thought that the moon was just very iconic throughout episode 1, which is obviously the start of the series, and like moons are linked to foxes or like werewolves and just kind of fantastical creatures, and it also appears at the start of the series right when Tia is left where her parents should have been, but they obviously go missing after their car accident, and it's like after Eon saves her and then the camera pans up to the moon, so it's definitely linked to all these weird unexplainable events. And in the meantime, you can see that I've added some clouds just to add to that mysterious vibe. And then I just went in with a little bit of black polish to add the leaves on the trees in this area. And on the thumbnail, I drew the scene where Eon catches Tia after she jumps off of his balcony, and I know that this sparked a lot of conversation because people really questioned like why she did this, is she dumb? But I honestly think it's because she thought about all her options and she really wanted to know his true identity, so by jumping off and knowing for a fact that he would catch her because he didn't want the evidence handed over to the police, like she can get him to expose another one of his powers and also to prove that he is actually the one who saved her when she was a kid. Hence why she says, "I've been waiting for you," after he catches her. And with logical reasoning aside, I just thought that this was such a beautiful scene and it was just edited so beautifully. Because I looked at the making video for this scene and they did it with wire and like CG and all this stuff, but how it turned out is actually so nice, and it also made me think of like what was going on in Eon's mind when he went down to save her, because he basically confirmed that she is not Aum, but he still went down to save her, and I think it's mostly just because he cannot ignore her face. Like the vet Shinju even had to look after all the girls that look like Aum, so even though she might not be Aum to Eon, he still has feelings toward that face. All you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. So this is it for my Tale of the Nine-Tailed or Gumiho뎐 inspired nail art design. I really enjoy painting this design and I'm also really enjoying keeping up with the episodes, so if you're also watching this drama, let me know in the comment section and I would love to discuss it. But that is it for this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone!